I want to show you how to remove the waste yarn so you can reuse it again. Usually all the time the cast off, it's really easy to take if you just knit it without the yarn and then the loops are loose. So for the cast off, you just pull the yarn and it's easily coming off. Depending on how many rounds you have. So this was the cast off yarn. Okay, on the other side, this is the cast on. All the time the cast on, it's hard to take off because we have the string through the loops. So look at the ends of the tails and find the first one and the last one, and if it's possible to take one by one to pull from the loops, but then it will take you a long time. So then instead of doing this, come in this side and look, you see the next loop, it's this one, and this is the yarn, and this is the one that I just pulled. So just take this one and pull the yarn, and it's coming off from all of the loops. And then it's like on the other side. Oh, I have one more. If it happens like this, just take this one off. And then you take the yarn off and then you can reuse them. This is a ponytail hat that I made. And then I'll have just to tie these two and hide them inside. I'll show you one more time if you cast it off with the loops like this one here. For this piece, this one was my cast off and this is the cast on. So like I said, the cast on all the time it's hard because the loops are here. And check the beginning and the end. It's on the other side like this, because you look for the loop to take it off. You see, like this one. So take first one and then you know where to go backwards. Go on this side and take this one and pull. And then, but with this one I have to go around because it's an infinity scarf. This one is from the other side. So you take this one. I will have a video on how to cast on and off with the waste yarn if you want to take a look. For the last round with this one, just pay attention and pull easily so you don't break it. I didn't finish this one because I have to finish when the yarn is off. This is the cast off. It should become, the other one came really easy because it was a different cast off. But for this one, because I didn't want to knit many rounds, I cast it off like normal by picking up the loops. So I will have the same problem like the cast on. I have the loops here on the yarn, so I will have either take one by one, which I don't want to do that, I'm just taking the first one so I know where to look for the yarn. So is this one here, you see? I will pull this one. It's the same like for the cast on. This was a longer one. And I should be able, for now on, I'm just taking, and I can reuse this yarn over and over again until it breaks, or I don't want anymore. So this is the easy way to remove the waste yarn and then to reuse it, so you don't have to cut the yarn. And then I will just have to finish my infinity scarf, and the waste yarn, it's off. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.